Hey, good morning. Ready for another vlog day, and yeah, it's probably gonna be a pretty exciting day. We haven't been barbecuing for a couple of days, and well, I have been, but not here. And look at this beauty. That's a nice piece of lamb. Eva knows, she wants it. She loves, absolutely loves lamb, and you know what that means? That's one of the best cuts of meat that you can get, even over beef. Lamb could beat beef any day of the week. Let's say hi to the boys. They already started. Mitchell, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jim. Good morning, Morrison.
What's up? What's up?
What's up, guys?
Gonna make some epic food.
Yeah? What's
Gonna make some epic food.
But you're gonna eat some epic food?
I'm gonna eat the epic food. Yes.
Morrison, are you confident that today is gonna be a tasty day?
Of course. It's beef ribs.
It's beef ribs.
It's beef ribs and it's Cajun style.
What could go wrong? But you were googling this morning what.
This is some really inside information about the cook.
No. It was a joke, right?
But
it was a joke, right?
It was a joke.
Okay.
But the thing is, there's something scary about this thing because, well, I did my research and nobody's ever done Cajun beef ribs. It's a first.
Oh my god.
It's like, it's not a typical
You're here.
combination.
Oh no. You have to watch the video on how it actually went down, but
Yeah.
you're here for the behind the scenes. So.
Yeah. So the thing is,
Wait, hold on.
what?
That's just sexy.
That's sexy, right?
That's a very sexy cut of beef.
But the thing is, like, why doesn't it exist? Am I a genius? Or is it a terrible idea? That's the thing.
I would love to call you a genius, but then you drop your phone.
Yeah.
See?
Because there's already something in my pocket.
So,
That's
for now, I'll leave it at that. Jim and Morrison just started on the lamb video. A beautiful dry aged lamb. Look at that. Getting prepped.
Did you look at it?
No.
No? You don't want to see it?
No. I'm not gonna show it. What I want to show you is that what's actually happening for lunch, and this is the great thing for having Mitchell on, because Mitchell's making lunch for us. On the grill, look at that.
Hey guys.
So this is,
Well, what do you call it in English?
this is like, oh my god.
Yeah, that's one down.
One down.
This is the first time I'm making these on a barbecue, so it's a bit of trial and error, I think.
They look like burgers, but they're liverwurst.
Yeah, well.
But then grilled liverwurst, so it's specifically made for grilling. So.
Isn't it like bologna?
No, it's different. This is authentic Eastern Dutch food.
Yeah, you can only get this in the eastern part of the Netherlands.
Yeah, you can't get it anywhere else. It looks amazing. It tastes amazing.
It does.
We're gonna save that one. I want to save that one.
That one we're gonna frame it. It is time.
It is time. It is time. Well, it's already happened.
It already happened.
Put the cage in, a new card, make it look fresh again. And I haven't used this for so long. It's a bit dirty now.
Yeah. Really gotta burn out everything.
It's definitely time for a clean out. Clean out session. So I cleaned it up, burned it out. And then we're gonna light it up and burn off all of the mold that's been building up here.
How long has it been like this?
I think I haven't used it in over half a year.
That's quite a long time.
It's quite a long time. Way too long. Way too long. It deserves a little bit more attention.
So
Don't
then,
worry, I'll make up for it.
right now I'm gonna show you some of the most difficult things in the world. It's said to be more difficult and complicated than building a nuclear reactor.
If you climbed the Kilimanjaro and you think you're special, you're not. You're really not.
Okay, explain what's going on. What's the point?
Do you ever see someone who is climbing the Kilimanjaro explain why it's so difficult?
Okay, so basically what's happening is that all those ceramic, well, shield thingies, they all have to fit. But it's one of the most hard things to do in life because whatever you're doing, There's always something shifting around.
This should be a challenge for managers that sit in the office and want to do something special. Yeah. Get in there.
Yeah, I'll hold this.
Yeah, hold that down. It's like performing an open heart surgery. Yeah. Hmm? No! So next morning, and the day after, we started burning in the Cameraman Big Joe 3. So I want to check with you guys and see how clean it is. I'll let it run all night or as long as the charcoal burned out. And look at that. No more mold. Just a nice bit of char. Everything is just, you can wipe it off with a touch of the finger. So all we need to do is find a brush. Where did Morrison put the brush? Clean as a whistle. And that's how you clean Cameraman Big Joe. Easy peasy. In the meantime, Mitchell's here.
Morning.
We haven't had coffee yet. It's about coffee time. And we're almost ready to start cooking again. We got some amazing stuff coming up, so that's gonna be good. Are you ready for it? Oh yeah.
It's a new day.
It's a new day. The Cameraman Joe is so clean.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we totally forgot about it.
No, I didn't. This is the first thing I did this morning. It's clean. And I showed them if you brush it, it becomes epic clean. And now I want to clean the outside as well, because there's like...
You killed an entire ecosystem. But
that's true. I think,
but for good reason.
Yeah, but I give a warning for all the biologists in the world. Don't look now. I'm killing this ecosystem. We burned it to the ground.
Eva just escaped, but let's not talk about that.
Oh, we should have filmed that, because that's funny for the vlog. Eva has this trick where she can get out of the gate while the gate's open if you drive away. So she waits until you think it's almost closed, and then she just goes stand in front of the sensor and the gate's open up again, she runs through. And she loves doing that when you're really, really busy and really don't have time to pick her up. Because then she can terrorize the neighborhood. And I don't like that. But especially now today, because we were doing like a record on how fast we were, and it's now 4 o'clock. We can still make it, Morrison.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
We have this beautiful thing. We have this beautiful thing.
And we got... Oh, wait. I'm gonna film you while you try that red sauce.
Okay.
Stick your finger in.
More. Ooh. It's weird. It's like at first, what comes up in your mind is this is gonna be spicy, but it's not spicy.
What is it more than just not spicy? What else didn't you expect?
It's like it really tastes like bell peppers, of course, but of course with barbecue flavor, because it's grilled bell peppers that you used. But it also tastes like tomato. It's not tomato. So it gets...
It's just super sweet. So it's a good sauce.
It's a really nice sauce.
We mixed the sandwiches, meat, more sauce, epic meal. Let's do the taste test. Last morning of the week. Well, last recording day of the week. It's still early. It's a bit early. Who's there? Who's there?
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm well.
What's up?
What's up?
I heard.
You heard?
Iberico today.
Oh, who told you that? What kind of nonsense is that? You shouldn't listen to all the rumors.
Totally not true.
Totally not happening, not true. Mitchell's getting everything ready. Good morning, Mitchell.
Morning.
Studio's looking mighty fine today.
The lamb ribs also not true. Also
Dude, you're spilling all the beans. Alright. Look what's going on here. Mitchell's making lunch.
Oh yeah.
Mitchell's cooking for us for the first time.
We're making brisket tomato soup.
No, not the first time.
Not the first time, actually.
No. He did, he took over the, what was it again?
We did the
It was either
the
pork
sausage.
or chicken. It was,
It wasn't very impressive, otherwise you
It
would have
was.
remembered.
it was the pork kebab.
Oh yeah, that's
whole,
right.
the pork neck.
That was like the
Oh yeah, but that was like an introduction day.
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't matter.
But now officially he's cooking for you and me.
Yeah.
So I think Mitchell's a bit nervous. You can see it in his
no
eyes.
pressure at all. No
he's got
pressure.
that little twinkle like ooh. So this is leftover brisket that's
Yeah.
been simmering in the soup. Leftover brisket is awesome for soup. And we got some canned tomatoes in there, a little bit of water, some spices.
onion, garlic,
Oh, I'm so hungry.
red pepper.
And we're sitting here and not in the office because it's so hot outside.
No, it's not.
It's actually snowing at the moment, but I feel so hot, I don't know what it is. Just look, it's snow. Can you see it? It's on my sweater. Snow on my sweater. Eva is still hot too. She's just sitting in the rain and snow all day. But we're waiting. When is it done, Mitchell?
In a few minutes.
What's going on? What's it?
Storming. The weather has completely flipped. From sunny to snowstorm.
White Jamaican beaches to white Dutch fields.
White Dutch fields.
It's coming.
Oh man, it's snowing. We're snowing in.
Look, actually, it's on your hand now.
Oh no.
You're in real danger of getting frostbite. Hold on, this is a moment. Mitchell made soup. Morrison,
Yeah.
you go first.
Yeah?
Oh,
Oh boy.
that's a bad omen. The door's secretly opening.
All right.
All right. Let's talk us through the texture. What do you see?
Well, the brisket looks amazing. I see smoke color in the brisket. So the brisket is amazing. Top tier. But what about that soup? Keep you guys exciting.
Oh,
Oh, Mitchell. Nou,
we did it.
I'll try to.
Iets.
Niet smakelijk. That is tasty. Okay, Mitchell is now an official member of the soup club.
Yeah.
The snow is melting, the sun is out again. Time to ditch the soup and start cooking again. Come, Morrison, let's go. Ditch the soup.
I can't.
Just leave,
I can.
Just give it to the dog. We gotta go cook some rest of the food. Look, doggy eating out in the rain. Snow is even on the table, Morrison.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
It is absolutely redunculous. Just finished the first cook of the day and it's really amazing. Been cooking on the Muesta grill. It was awesome. Had a little wood fire going. I added some charcoal just to get a little bit of heat, spread it out. Helped me a little bit with creating the video. In the end, I got a little bit too much heat out of the charcoal, and I really loved just playing with the firewood and getting the heat out of that. So that's kind of like what I like to do. Now I added charcoal, but it backfired on me, so I got a little bit more heat. So that's kind of like a thing. Mental note, next time I'll just take it a little bit slower than I did today. But hey, it's kind of cool. It worked out. We got great results. Looks amazing. Booyah.
Weet maar. Pak het wel.
I would recommend taking this piece, dipping it in the sauce.
This piece?
Yeah.
Here we go. Cheers.
Nope.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
It's just like the silent approving type. It's like,
If I nod, it's good.
it seems a little bit empty.
Yeah, I think it needs a bit more. I think.
Yeah,
Especially
yeah.
this side. This is.
Yeah.
This needs more.
Yeah, so I know what you're going to do tomorrow and next week.
Yeah,
Cool.
because
You're probably going to make trips, field trips.
probably because from this side. I don't know about you, but I think this needs refilling as well.
This is way too empty.
This is too empty.
Like for the people at home, this is not tinted glass. No, no, no. There's just nothing inside.
This is just all empty.
Yeah, we gotta do something about
Needs
that.
something.
What do you think? Brisket? Dry as brisket?
Yeah.
We just had a moment here. Another moment. There's so many moments. We just finished recording, and it's 2:30 p.m. It's like half day. So I told my wife, and she came up with some great ideas to do with the rest of the time. Morrison,
You
Clean-
haven't even heard our last one.
clean the toilet, clean the car, get rid of all the dirt. So we're not gonna do that because that's no fun if you're done early. So we're gonna do fun stuff.
Coffee!
Coffee. We're gonna drink coffee first. That's a good plan.
All kinds of new coffees.
But we're just gonna say goodbye to you for this week. See you in the next vlog. Come on, Martin, give the audience a high five. Mitchell, high five.
Cheers.
High five and goodbye.